Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this custom Harumi from Season 8 of Ninjago. So, of course, LEGO hasn't actually made this figure, which kind of puzzled me because I would think that for such a prominent character, you'd see something like this in the actual sets. So, before we begin this tutorial, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like it and subscribe to support my channel. And of course, yeah, with that, let's get right into the video. So, of course, the figure has all the detailing that Harumi has in her casual outfit. I think it's quite a nice outfit, honestly, and I'm surprised that LEGO really didn't make this. So the parts that you're actually going to need to make this, of course, are Masako's hair from the Ninjago movie, and for the face I used the character from the Castle Cavalry set, which came out for the LEGO movie a while back. However, if you don't have that set, you could probably get it off Bricklink. The torso and legs, of course, are Harumi's legs from the Temple of Resurrection, and there's not really much else you can do for those, but they actually fit this character really well. And lastly, you need the hood piece, which I don't know what set it came in specifically, as I got mine off Bricklink. So of course, to paint the hair, you basically want to paint the entire outside of it white, and then basically after you paint the entire hairpiece white, you then want to kind of paint with black paint the kind of chopstick pieces, of course, to kind of layer it. Thanks everybody for watching this video. This was kind of a short video, but I hope it helped you out and you guys enjoyed it. So remember to stay tuned for next week's video, and yeah.